Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to explore the fascinating world of terrace garden design and share some incredible ideas to help you create your very own green paradise. So if you have a terrace or balcony and a passion for gardening, you are in for a treat. Let's dive in. First off, we have the vertical garden. This design is perfect for small spaces as it utilizes the vertical wall area to create a lush and vibrant display of plants. You can use hanging pots or wall mounted planters to create a beautiful green backdrop that adds freshness and life to your terrace. Next, let's talk about creating a functional and cozy terrace garden. You can transform your terrace into an outdoor living space by incorporating sitting areas, comfortable furniture, and even a small dining area. By combining plants, decorative elements, and comfortable seating, you shall have a scenery retreat right at your doorstep. Now let's explore the world of urban farming on your terrace. You can grow your own vegetables, herbs, and even fruits by utilizing raised beds, vertical planters, or hydroponic system. It's fantastic way to have fresh organic produce at your fingertips and connect with nature in the heart of the city. Lastly, we have the minimalist terraced garden. This design focuses on simplicity, clean lines, and restrained color palettes. It's all about creating a serene and calming atmosphere by using sleek planters. Carefully selected plants and minimalistic decor, this design is perfect for those who appreciate a contemporary and elegant aesthetic. Remember, no matter the size of your terrace, there always a way to create a beautiful green space that reflects your personal style. Thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more gardening inspiration.